What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and kind of a test drive, if I can, on camera of the PS5 customized faceplate replacement for the DualSense controller. And I'll leave the link in the description. I got this off Amazon for $15.99. I believe there's a $1 coupon that you can utilize. So you can get it for $15 out the door, obviously, you know, with shipping and tax and all that good stuff. But, you know, just if you want to get a little customization going on. So I'll check it out and see how easy it is. And hopefully I don't break my controller. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the box that it comes in. Nothing too fancy. You hear anything in the background? That's my cat. He's going hard in the paint. All right, so that's all you get in the box. Let's see what you get. Let me move this controller right now. Let's take a look with the product. Little case. Oh wow, okay. It comes with some custom grips, thumb grips. So if you're really big into that, they have a whole array of different kinds. So I believe those slip over the things themselves. Here's one of the grips, and here is the other one. So, okay, so these are the silver ones. So this one would change this into this. And I believe on the other one, the one that I seen, they had a little prying tool, but I've seen on here. Oh, okay. So you can just flick it up. Okay, wow. I don't think it was that easy. Okay, I don't want to break it. Okay. So they're just if you kind of just pull up a little bit, just kind of be a little careful. Okay, so I did this on camera, live. Wow, I didn't break it, thank goodness. Because just in case this don't work, I can turn them back to where they need to be. So I believe those go under there. This goes here. And just follow them all the way. Oh, wow. And there you go. Oh, wow. Did the test run. Woo! Oh, wow. That is super cool. Okay, so I'm definitely feeling this. So as you can see, this was the old, the black, but now I have the silver. And now, since I have these, I definitely want to get different colors for the different controllers, because I have 3 controllers, you know what I'm saying? So me and the kids can play and things like that. So I definitely want to invest and grab 2 different other colors. So I'm definitely going to keep this silver. And they have a couple different ones on there. I'll search in there and see if I can find any more, and I'll link them down in the description. But hey, you know, it's pretty cool. 15, let's see how easy this would be. Drop that on there. Okay, that's going to take a little bit more oomph. But you can't get it on there. But I ain't going to waste too much more of you guys' time. But this one, the first link in the description is going to come with all these little nubs and whatnot. So if you want to kind of improve the grip on your controller, you definitely can. I ain't going to do that. I ain't going to do it on camera. But if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description. And again, you know, I appreciate you guys going on this journey with me. If you guys would do me a solid, like, share, and subscribe, and please comment, do all that YouTube stuff. And you guys take care of each other. Peace.